Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix auto brightness not working on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So to fix your auto brightness not working, first what are we going to do is we're going to open up the settings app. In the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go into the display. So we need to scroll down, go to display, and make sure that our adaptive brightness is enabled. Now here you can disable it and enable it back again, and make sure that you clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. So what I like to do here is I like to just get the microfiber cloth only on my one finger, and I'm just swiping that finger through the camera. As you guys can see, whenever I hold it like this, then the brightness should go down, but we're just gonna clean it here, and once we clean it, it should be good. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna restart the phone to refresh our sensors. So we're gonna press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now our system is refreshing, the sensors are also refreshing, and I'll see you guys once the phone turns back on. After the restart, what you guys want to do is go over, unlock your phone, and here what are we going to do is we're going to open up settings. In the settings, we go to My Device and we click on TCL UI. We want to make sure that we are on the latest version of the software. It's very important. If you're not, then that might cause the glitches with your auto brightness. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.